Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the subtitles and closed caption on Netflix. So to do this, you need to open the Netflix account on your web browser. And here I've already opened my Netflix account. If you don't know how, just go to the netflix.com/your account here, and then you need to log into your profile account, and then at the account page, go to this profile and parental controls tab, and then select a profile that you want to change its subtitles and also closed caption. So I'm going to change probably this one, and then you can change for the subtitles appearance here. You need to scroll down, and then this is subtitle appearance. Just click on change, and then you can see you can change the font of the subtitles. For example, I want to change it into console, and then the text size small, medium, or also large. And then you can also the shadow, you can you want like this or like this, and also the background, the shadow white, and the background you can also change it into semi-transparent, or also the other colors like this. And when you're done, just click on save like that. Okay, when you're done, you just need to open your Netflix on your device. Okay, so that's all from me. That is how you can change the appearance of subtitles and also closed caption on your Netflix. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, and if you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll catch you all in next video. Thank you guys.